this might lead out to Marshall Road.
That's weird.
Sure. At least if we get lost, just follow the tracks back out. This ain't nothing, is it? No. There's no road either way. Oh yeah, this goes through, right? Is this a road, or am I just down kind of visible road? What? Look at me, because they said it's not a road. Nothing is a road.
Just say, oh look, we're stuck.
I was kidding, not the same stuff.
That's random.
That fence.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking too.
Whee! That way leads to a big hill.
Up here, right?
Oh, up here?
Yeah.
Oh. Both?
Yeah, right here.
Oh. Oh.
It's four-wheel drive, not four-wheel stop. Technically it is, because all four sides have brakes. Big hill is up this way.
Oh. Oh yeah, it's this big clearing.
Huh?
Said there's this big clearing.
Yeah. You're straight through that way, and then this will just meet you on the other side of it. Oh, shit.
Wait.
That's deeper than what I expected it to be. Because I think that leads to the other side somehow.
Right.
Because this is where we usually go. Big ass hills this way.
Yep, right there's the big ass hill. Doesn't look like much right now, but
I'm not going any further up that way. I mean, I almost wonder what that hung looks like back there, but
I'll walk out there.
yeah.
What did the viewers think? You think we should wander out that way? Yeah. Alright. He has spoken. We will wander that way. Okay. Whee! Holy crap. I would stop here.
Well, we're gonna need somewhere to turn around too. So you get out of here.
Because I don't know how deep that thing is. And I'm not trying to find out.
You think we're stuck?
No, I know we're not stuck. I know if we get stuck, I'm not the one pushing.
You gotta try the new boots out though.
I'm going to. We're going to go walk.
Are you filming?
I totally got that on camera too. Look at the deer tracks. Apparently, it was solid enough.
Step out here because I can't remember where all the puddles are.
Follow the deer tracks.
I'm gonna go this way, yeah.
That's the smart plan. Whoop.
Yeah, that's where that the old spider tree was.
I forgot about that. Can you do a reenactment of tones for
I didn't even
the
see
viewers?
it, I'm freaking out.
He started doing karate chops. It's basically how it was.
I know.
Look, somebody can tell where they come out in mud.
I was gonna say, yeah, ain't nobody been out here.
Nope.
No one's dumb enough. But us, apparently. You can't even tell us the pond.
Nope. There's a weird tire?
Yeah.
It's a tire.
Frozen up step on you, I don't think. But now it's in the sun.
Go ahead, test it.
It might be.
I would not go any further than that, though.
Not, 'cause I like to be not cold and wet. Pretty out here, though.
It is. That's why we look for untouched things. And I'm covered in snow. Yeah, because like the middle's all. Yeah. The middle over there's effed up from people trying to come out here in mud. Boop, boop. You can see all the deer tracks.